Look what we got here. Brand new PS5. Today we're unboxing this beautiful machine. So when you're ready, I'm ready. And I'm ready now. So let's do it. So today I picked up this PS5 from my local store and I got a good discount on it. That's why it took me 3 years to get it. But we're finally here. So let's do a quick little brief rundown of the machine. As you guys probably know, it's a PS5, 8K, 4K gaming. You can see on the back here. Stunning games, breathtaking immersion, light speed, and they give us, where is it here? I saw it, 825 gigabytes of storage, which, from what I already researched on, it's actually going to come down to 667 gigabytes. The system takes the rest of it, which is unfortunate, but it's there for you to download your games. So all that being said, let's get to the meat of the video. Let's unbox this beauty. Alright. Okay, I lost my knives. Found it. Okay. Cut here. Oof. Alright. Let's lay this bad boy down. It's heavy. Alright. Okay, what we got here? Alright. Then I'll get this machine out today. Alright. There we go. Look at that. Alright, let's put that box out of the way. Let's get to this one. Alright. Open. Alright. That's what it looks like when you open that box up. You get to another box. And this one. Oh, okay. Let's go back the other way. Put a nice little PlayStation logo again, just to remind you of what you bought. Gotta start here. What we got? You got a whole bunch of instruction manuals with the machine. You don't know about that already. You don't need that. Let's get rid of that. Oh, got here a game controller. See what it looks like. Ooh. Look at that. Huh? That gorgeous. Look at that. Huh? Nice clear buttons. Good feedback on that. Same for the buttons here. Nice clear. Gray inserts here, gray lettering. Feels very nice in the hand. Very nice. Got a touchpad, nice click function on that. The triggers feel very good. You guys are going to enjoy doing a lot of shooting in these games, trust me. And also, USB Type-C charging port right there. I assume you can use any USB-C to charge it, hopefully. And you have a microphone here, microphone there again, and a headphone jack to plug into the machine for your online gaming. Other than that, very good controller. Can't wait to use it soon. Now, let's get to the big boy here. You can see it wants to come out. Power cord. Alright. Okay. Other goodies in here now. HDMI cable. Doesn't say exactly on here. I'm trying to see if it's USB, or sorry, HDMI. It doesn't say which one. Oh, hopefully it's the right one. It says high speed, so we'll just go with that. USB cable for your controller to charge it. So thank you, Sony, for that. And we have here the base to put your system horizontally or vertically straight up. And at the bottom here, I believe it's supposed to rotate. Yes. So when you rotate it, when you look inside, there's a screw here to keep your machine vertical. You would then take the screw out, put into the hole as you see right here, drive it through the bottom, your machine could be vertical. So I intend to keep this machine horizontal, so we're going to close that up. Put this away. What we got here now? Oh, there it is. You know what's coming. You know what's coming. exactly the best packaging, but it is what it is. Down for you guys here. Open this up. Put this up here. You know you love it. You know you love it. I know I love it. Right. Just strap this out of the way. And there is your PS5. Alright. Let's get this stuff out of the way. This cardboard. Alright. That's what the front of the machine looks like. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Nice little PlayStation logo up in the corner here. You have the back ports here. We have the power cord, HDMI for your Ethernet, and 2 USBs. Okay, and then up front, or actually on the side here, you have some vents. Of course, for cooling when you're playing your games. That's what it looks like horizontally from the back. And at the front, this is what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful? And when you pair that with this, come on. How could you not want one of these things? Alright, so let's turn it back this way. Okay, bam. Now I haven't exactly, my first time actually setting, I've never actually done this before with the setting up the machine. Getting the screw, there we go. As you see, the screw goes right through there. And the machine would sit right on top of that. But before I do that, there's a little thing here, this has to come off. It's fighting me today, there we go. Alright, you can sit that bad boy right on top of it like that. That's what that would look when you're sitting it down. Right? Okay, this thing's heavy. But, as I said, I'm doing this machine horizontally. So, apparently, from what I read online, you're supposed to take this and clip it on here. You see on the back here all the PlayStation logos right here, all the X's and squares and circles or whatever. You clip that back here like so, just like that. You turn it back this way. Oops. And then there she sits. So you can sit that in your entertainment center and look beautiful. Now I do know these top plates can come off, but I'm not going to be doing that today because I have no reason to. It's brand new. But when you unbox your gaming machine, brand new PlayStation, that's what you expect to get. And you'll have hours of entertainment coming your way. You have Spider-Man coming to this. I haven't yet played it myself. I know it's not out yet, but it does. I will be getting that. Also, you can play God of War on here. I know y'all love Kratos. As you can see, Kratos in full effect right now. And you have Horizon Zero Dawn. So there's plenty of games for you guys to play out there. So when you get this, don't think, oh, what game am I gonna play? There's so many options. Just pick one of them and enjoy it. So with that being said, that's the whole unboxing video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and put any comments down there. If you want to see anything more on the PS5 now that I have it, ask any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer it and make it up in the next video to answer those questions. So yet again, thank you for tuning in. Peace out.